Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I'm so happy to have you here today. And for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I made a giant spring sign using things that I have on my craft stash. I hope that you enjoy and have fun in today's video. Please, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, as well as subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, to start this project, I'm going to be using this giant sign that I get at Hobby Lobby a long time ago, like a year ago, for only $3 in clearance. In the front part, it says welcome to the cabin, and I really like it. I don't want to paint over this, so I'm going to be using the back side of this sign for this project. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to remove the small hangers that have on each side of the sign, and I'm going to put them on the other side of the sign, and that way I'm gonna be able to hang it on the wall. I really want to make something to put on the center of the big sign. So for that, I'm going to be using 3 small stir sticks. You can get this at Walmart or you can get them online. I'm gonna be linking a few links of where you can get these stir sticks. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to put them all together. I'm going to draw a straight line and I'm going to cut them in the same size with my Dremel. Guys, I get my Dremel on Amazon and I really like it. I use this for so many crafts. You can sand or cut and do many things with this Dremel, and I really like it a lot. So I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get it if you are interested. Once they are cut, I'm going to be sticking the stir sticks together with 3 popsicle sticks and hot glue on the back side. To paint this little sign, I'm going to use my Waverly chalk paint in truffle color. Then I want to give it like a rustic touch, and for that I'm going to be using my burnt umber and gold paint, and with my sponge I'm going to be creating spots with both colors on my sign, focusing on the edges. Once the paint is dry, I decide to write something in this sign. So I print the word grow, and I'm going to put chalk on the back of this paper. Then I'm going to put that paper on the top of my sign, and with a pencil I'm going to start tracing my word. When you take out the paper from the sign, you will see that the word is marked with chalk on your sign, and from there I decide to use my white chalk marker to trace the word. And guys, I really love this type of markers. They are a very good option if you don't like to use paint to write, and these chalk markers come in many colors. So I'm going to be leaving you in the description box of this video the link of where you can get this type of markers, just in case you are interested. Once I finish, I will stick it in the center of my big sign. At the bottom of each side of the sign, I'm going to put 2 baskets, and these ones are from Dollar Tree and they come in a set of 3 for only $1. I'm going to be using only 2, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is to paint them using the same colors and same technique that I use to paint the grow sign. So first I use my chalk paint in truffle color. And then I use my burnt umber and gold paint colors to make a rustic effect. Guys, I always use these type of sponges to make this type of painting techniques, and I really like it. The package brings many of these sponges for a very good price, and I highly recommend this. I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get these sponges. In order to hang the baskets on the sign, I'm going to use these Dollar Tree push pins, and I will place 2 for each of the baskets. To fill the baskets, I will put some Spanish moss inside, and then you can put some flowers inside of the baskets. I don't have flowers at home for the moment, so I'm going to be using what I have, and I have many succulents at home, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to fill the baskets of succulents that I have from last year. And I'm going to try like mix and match colors and shapes of each succulent that I put on the baskets, and you can do the same thing if you want to put flowers or greenery. And you can also change the word grow from the sign for one that says maybe flowers or welcome or home. You have many options. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that inspires you to create something beautiful with things that you have at home. Please, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Please subscribe, share some inspiration with your friends and family, and leave me a comment. Remember to follow me on my social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, I have Pinterest, and my webpage DIYbyjaz.com. Love you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye guys.